Today is Family Day. Let's make beautiful memories together.
Wow, this place is incredible!
First, we choose together.
I vote for the biggest slide!
One ride.
All together. This is gonna be awesome!
Hold on, here we go!
This is the best!
We are flying now! Hold on tight.
This is faster than I thought!
Everyone okay?
I want to do it again, but maybe after a short break.
The water is dancing.
Small waves first, big adventures later.
I can finish first.
Winning is good. Helping is better.
I can't do it.
I've got you.
Don't rush.
Slow.
One step at a time.
Okay, I trust you. They're so pretty.
Stay close, sweetheart.
They're beautiful.
Don't go far, sweetheart.
Wait for me.
Alika?
Mom, where's Alika? I thought she was with Dad. Mom, where's Alika? I thought she was with Dad.
Where's Alika?
I thought she was with you.
Jaff, have you seen Alika?
No, I thought she was with Mom.
Huss, think carefully. What did Alika see last?
The bubbles. She was following the bubbles.
The bubbles. Let's check that way.
I'll stay close.
Where's my dad?
Hi, sweetheart. I'm here to help. You're safe here. Can you tell me your name?
My name is Alika.
The Family Help Center.
Let's go.
It's bigger than I remembered.
We'll find her.
My daughter is missing. She's 5 years old. We're here to help. What's her name? Her name is Alika. She has a pink life vest.
Thank you. We'll notify every team. Attention all teams. Missing child. Name, Alika.
We have Alika. She is safe.
She's safe. She's waiting for you. Thank God. Let's bring her home.
Together.
Daddy?
There you are. I was so worried.
I'm sorry. I followed the bubbles.
You didn't do a bad thing, but next time, tell us first.
I promise I will stay with my family.
This one is for you.
I'll never walk away again. Dad, I feel safe with you.
And I'll always be here. I have a plan. Now I can always find you.
That's actually a clever idea.
I can always see my little sunshine now.
And I can always find you too.
Today wasn't just about fun.
It was about staying together. Family first.
Welcome to our Family Swimming Challenge. Ready, set. I'm winning!
Not yet. Go Jaff! Go Huss! Go Alika!
That's okay. We don't need the balloon anymore.
I know how to find my family now. Dad! Wake up right now!
Alika, it is very early. What is happening?
Dad, come. You have to see this right now.
Alika, it snowed.
It really snowed.
The sky did not fall down, Alika.
It looks like it did. Jaff, wake up! It is snowing! Jaff, there is snow outside.
Snow is not food.
You can eat snow. It snowed approximately 15 centimeters overnight.
I checked the weather forecast last week. I have been waiting.
You knew?
I suspected.
And you did not tell anyone?
I wanted to be sure first.
I have never seen New York like this.
In London, it almost snowed like this.
And I saw it first.
Yes, you did, sweetheart.
And I saw it first.
Then we go outside.
The snow might melt. The temperature is -3 not melt for several hours. How do you know everything?
I read. Can we have hot chocolate too?
Yes, Jaff.
Hold still, Alika. I cannot button your coat if you keep jumping.
I am not jumping.
Those are the same thing.
How cold is it actually outside?
-3. Wind chill makes it feel like -7.
Snow forms when water vapor freezes.
Huss, we are gonna play.
I just think it is interesting.
It is cold white stuff that falls.
That is a very incomplete description.
It is also completely accurate.
All right, is everybody ready?
Wow, it is beautiful! It is so soft and so cold.
Welcome to your first New York winter, Alika.
Dad, how deep do you think this is?
Jaff, whatever you are thinking, do
I am
not.
just asking how deep it is.
I know exactly what you are thinking.
I am thinking about the depth. I calculate approximately 60 centimeters deep. He is now completely submerged.
It is very cold.
What are you making, Alika?
A snowball.
For Jaff.
For Jaff? To say welcome to the snow.
Alika,
Hmm?
did you just throw a snowball at me?
Today.
That is interesting, because I also find snow very interesting.
This is not what I expected from our morning.
I am calculating optimal throwing angles.
Jaff, this is not math class.
Everything is math, Jaff.
I did not mean to hit your nose, Dad. I was aiming at Jaff. You hit my nose, Alika!
Your nose was in the way of Jaff.
Left. More left.
Huss, just push.
Precision matters, Jaff.
This is his left arm. He needs it just here.
Perfect.
He needs a name now. His name is Mr. Fluffy. Absolutely not.
I suggest we vote democratically.
Mr. Fluffy sounds good to me.
Central Park will be completely white.
I have always wanted to see it in winter.
It is like we are inside a snow globe.
Look at this.
It is the most beautiful thing I have ever seen.
Last one in is a snowball!
That makes no sense.
Dad,
Can I walk on it?
No.
It looks completely solid.
the ice is too thin. I read about it this morning.
Mom, making a snow angel.
You are doing a perfect job.
Hello, little
This is the best hot chocolate ever. Everything tastes better in the cold.
Teddy wants some too.
Teddy can share yours.
Dad,
New York looks so beautiful in winter.
It really does.
I think I like New York in winter.
Mom, I think New York is actually okay.
Just okay? Maybe better than okay. I think so too, Jaff.
Mr. Fluffy, this is your park now. Take care of it. He said okay.
You understood him?
We haven't understood.
Everyone together.
Do I have to smile?
Yes, Jaff. Smile.
Can we come back tomorrow?
If there is still snow, yes.
Temperature stays below 0 until Thursday.
Huss.
Just say yes.
Yes. I cannot feel my nose.
Cold exposure. Mr. Fluffy cannot feel his nose either.
Alika, he does not have a nose.
Our first snow day in New York.
Not bad for a first one.
Best day. Statistically remarkable. I want to do it every year. Dad, do you think Mr. Fluffy is okay out there?
Mr. Fluffy is perfectly happy.
This is his favorite weather. Good night, Mr. Fluffy.
I think New York is home now.
Yes, I think it is.